Uncle, please tell us a story.
He's doing whatever.
If it's set
And the
up.
person comes to Ghana for a day or two, and then you shove the Ghanaian passport into the person's hands. When you serious,
Hello, I say. Now GH1 still want you want to kawana.
All be lie.
And girl, your war screen you do kesi. Say minim that the regular kuchiano mbana na the January na achere na wama why frustrated or kasa
If it's set up.
when you serious.
All be lie.
Samuel Okudje to a blackwa. You were somebody that we had high expectations of.
If it's set up.
You shove a Ghanaian passport into the hands of somebody who comes, who is streaming, who is embarking on his own personal thing.
All be lie.
Okay,
All be lie.
they're coming to jump on our jollof, coming to jump on our Black Star Square. What has it done to our GDP? Most of some too much.
But anyway, our mama address na yantu yankomono. Share Iraba and Kasaye. What you did was real fucking things. You don't talk to a minister of state like that. Atasa. Onyana kotin na adwen. I'm not sure that the president nyim zori ye onyim hubi. So for you to sit on your TV and say there, when you're serious. I was small boy in Obia. Hey, see, you know why I feel so disappointed even after that video has been deleted? It takes a lot to record something on live TV. You feel that, you gather the courage, go through your files in a cart, when I send about to internet for the share. So any backlash you are receiving in Iraba fatal because you reason adrenokun na nyansanku. This is a real fucking thing.
All be lie.
The matter chop hot.
Assembly Diloto. Hey!
Aye.